If you're experiencing crashing issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these simple steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through the process of troubleshooting and potentially fixing the issue. Step 1. Restart your console. Begin by completely turning off your PlayStation 5. Unplug it from the power source for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches. Step 2. Update system software. Navigate to the settings menu and select system software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your system software up to date can fix bugs that may cause crashes. Step 3. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 and boot it in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild database. This process can help fix corrupted data that may lead to crashes. Step 4. Check for faulty game discs. If you're using physical game discs, inspect them for scratches or damage. Clean the disc gently with a microfiber cloth. A damaged disc can cause the console to crash during gameplay. Step 5. Factory reset. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, and select Reset Options. Choose Reset your console and follow the prompts. Remember to back up your data, as this will erase everything on the console. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.